don't know about you, but my skin is way drier, itchier, just more high maintenance during the winter time. So we're going to get some tips from Dr. Jennifer Janiga from the Center for Plastic Surgery and Dermatology. Thanks for being with us tonight.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, you got it. Is skin more high maintenance during the winter?
Absolutely. Skin is dried out in the winter because of the heating systems in our homes. They suck the moisture right out of our skin, and then we go outside on top of that and have all that cold air beating down on our skin. And so those two things are the real reason why in the winter our skin is harder to maintain, basically.
And that hot shower I take every morning, probably not such a great idea.
Yeah, well, the hot shower does the same thing, kind of opens it up, and then, but if you took your hot shower and you went out afterwards before your skin got really dry, and you really lathered up with one of those really thick creams, I like the ones that have the twist off top.
Oh.
You have to stick your hand in there, like the old-fashioned Pond's cold cream. If you did that afterwards, you might still be able to get away with your hot shower even in the winter.
So really moisturizing, like the thicker the cream,
the better.
The better.
Absolute better. If you wanted to lather up in Vaseline, I would be thrilled, but most people don't like that too much. So sometimes I recommend Cetaphil cream, and it's a screw-off top, hand goes in, put it on while your skin's still nice and moist.
I have that in my drawer right now.
Yes.
Love that stuff. Okay, we can still burn during the wintertime, correct?
Absolutely.
So you got to wear sunscreen. But then vitamin D deficiency,
Yes.
where do you stand on that issue?
Well, I'm glad you asked me that, because there is a huge controversy right now in the literature and among physicians even as to whether we should be doing full sun protection or some sun with, so you can get your vitamin D exposure. The American Academy of Dermatology has recommendations which I follow in my practice, and that is wear your sunscreen, protect yourself against the skin cancers and wrinkles and sunspots, and take a vitamin every day with calcium and vitamin D in it.
Okay, Dr. Janiga, we appreciate it. And
Thank
speaking
you.
of wrinkles, we're going to talk about some beauty secrets from her coming up at 5:30.